Hi everyone, my name is Ganesh Lakshmigandan. I'm a senior FX artist at VetaFX Vancouver. In this course, we'll be discussing about how to do a barrel explosion using Axiom in Houdini 20. We choose a reference such as this and identify the elements from the reference that can be simulated separately. We'll be using Karma XPU for lighting and shading with the new Karma volume material. We'll also be discussing about setting up passes, instancing workflow in Solaris. Finally, we take all the passes into Nuke and do our final composite.